I'm just looking at my notes on gear. Incidentally, on that tripod, I want to say that that fiber tripod you use, if I'm not mistaken, is like a $400 tripod.
Extremist, it is.
Okay. I just want to point out, so when our members start Googling and looking for that, it is a pricey tripod for most real estate photographers. Tom, why do you decide you need a tripod that costs twice as much as what everybody else is using?
Well, I've, previous to really diving into this, I would always buy the $30 Best Buy Fry's kind of tripods, little plastic ones, and they would always break. And I went years without having one because I thought tripods sucked and I didn't need them. But you need one for real estate. And so I figured, okay, well, do I want to lug around an aluminum version of that, which I think might be around 200 all day, multiple times a day, multiple shoots? Or do I want to just spring for something that's lightweight and more comfortable to carry around? And that's what I chose to do.
And you mentioned 3, so should we be concerned about it wears out, or no, you're a busy professional photographer and it didn't surprise you that you had to replace them, or actually you have multiple setups with other team members and therefore you have 3 of them?
Yeah, so one of the first one I had, I dropped it a few times, didn't cause any damage, still worked. But one of my photographers was in need of a sturdier tripod, so I donated that to him. And then I bought 2 more, one for my everyday use, and then a second one, if I'm tag teaming a property with somebody, we can just have very similar setups. So kind of just backup gear.
Okay.